Hello guys, welcome. I hope you had a fantastic time with your family and friends and loved ones. Now we're getting back to work and I wish you a very successful 2025. Okay, so I know you're watching this video because you want to have success day trading in this year 2025. Okay, so I'm gonna go over through some points, very important points, okay, that has helped me become a successful and profitable trader during these years. Okay, I have been trading for 15 years. My name is Ulrich, by the way, and I'm going to explain you these points as if I was talking to my old self from 15 years back, if I was starting to trade. Okay, guys, I know some of you are already trading. Many of you are aspiring traders. Okay, you're beginner traders, or maybe you are still struggling to become profitable. Maybe you are still like break even. So you just want to push that level. Okay, become a successful, profitable trader and make money. Finally, make money consistently in this new year that we are in 2025. Okay, guys, so let's just take a quick look. This is one of my accounts and how it ended for 2024. As you can see, it had a pretty successful gain, which was around 500%. Okay, this was achieved using my exclusive proprietary trading systems that I teach inside the members area. Okay, I have dual MY5 ATM strategy. I have some other strategies. Okay, so if you want to become a successful trader, don't doubt and check the link below. Okay, we're going to talk about some of my strategies in a little bit. Okay, but I just want you to take a look at the win rate. Okay, it was extremely successful. I was very cautious with this account, and here are the percentages on a monthly basis. Okay, my friends, so how was this possible and how you can achieve also making money consistently? Because let's be real, like some of you maybe have jobs or maybe you don't have anything, but the point is like anything can happen. Okay, like anything can happen, and you must be prepared and you must learn this skill that no one can take this from you. Okay, like nobody will take this from you, not your family, nobody, not your job. Because in your job, let's be real, like you can get fired today or tomorrow or any day. Okay, or there can be any economic situation going on and maybe whatever situation. Okay, but like this skill, nobody's gonna take it from you. Okay, guys, so that's why it's very, very important to set the foundations and learn, but it's important to know where and from who you are learning from. Okay, guys, so I would say this is step number one. One of the rules or steps, step number one would be find a good mentor. Okay, find someone that has enough experience, okay, that has failed enough in the market and that will teach you the right concepts or things for you to learn that resonate with your personality. Okay, now I have been trading for 15 years. I really went through really dark times, really difficult times, and here I am. Okay, like I never stopped. I did also worked inside a hedge fund. I managed a lot of money. I have had a very successful career. Trading has always been my passion, and developing systems have also been my biggest passion. Like I love developing trading systems. Okay, and it all started because I went to something very, very mechanical, very simple and easy to follow. Okay, because like I'm a true believer that in order to have success in the market, you really need a very mechanical approach in the market. Okay, so that's why I develop some systems, and all of them you will find them inside the members area. Okay, I have dual MY5, power of imbalance, I have magic numbers, ATM strategy, and these strategies, all of them, they have been tested for many, many years. All of these systems work fantastic, and they are very, very simple, very mechanical, and they are perfect if you're a scalper, a day trader, or even a swing trader. You can apply these same concepts that I teach, these strategies, for basically any market, any session, anything. Okay, they are absolutely perfect. I recommend them, and it would be like, man, if I found someone like myself 15 years ago, like trust me, like it would be such a blessing. Okay, like you guys are absolutely lucky that you have all of the tools, everything so easy nowadays. You have everything, even the funding, guys. Like back in my time, like I had to go with these big investors and like talk with them, like present them, like show them like all of this stuff, like the analysis, all of these things. And it was very hard to get investment from big investors. Okay, now you have these prop firms, like anybody can have big accounts nowadays. Okay, like everything is so easy nowadays, and especially because there's like so many like training academies, like mentors, etc. Now, obviously, yes, I do recommend you joining mine if you want to have success. Like all of my students, they are profitable, they're very happy, they love my strategies, and they are very simple and easy to follow and to use and to apply. Okay, guys, so that would be rule number one: find a good mentor and stick to one strategy. Okay, now that's another thing very important. Okay, guys, like I would recommend you sticking to one strategy and don't be switching from strategy to strategy, because like it's gonna take you so much time to learn and to be consistent and profitable. Okay, trading is about understanding yourself, mastering your emotions, and mastering yourself. Okay, once you do that, the trading is gonna be the easy part. But it's not about like losing one trade and instantly like just switching off into another strategy. Okay, you have to take some hits too, guys. Remember, like in any business, there's gonna be expenses too. Okay, so take these losing trades as an expense and think about the long term. Think about winning the next 20 trades in the future. Also have in consideration that in the future, in these 20 next trades that you're gonna take, obviously you're gonna have some losing trades. Okay, guys, so that would be my recommendation. Stick to one strategy and that's it. Like don't be switching from strategy to strategy. Okay, I would say become the master of one strategy and stick to that, okay, until it becomes second nature to you. In a little bit, I'm going to show you how to read the market in a very simple ways, just using very simple price action and candlesticks. Okay, guys. Now, another thing would be to stick to one trading session and taking one trade a day. Okay, initially, as you gain consistency, I would say stick to one trading session. Okay, guys, whether you are in Europe or in Asia or in America, just stick to whatever session it's easier and most comfortable based on your lifestyle. Okay, obviously, I recommend you more the London and the New York session because obviously that's the time where we have the most volume. Okay, now also remember to stick to one pair or one asset. That would be another rule. Okay, so me personally, I do like Nasdaq. Nasdaq moves pretty nice. I am in America and it's the time where it's moving pretty nicely in the New York session. Okay, guys, now we also have US 30, we have gold. Gold also moves absolutely fantastic. Okay, and remember, it's very sensitive to global economic news, global events. Usually gold is going to be affected by these macroeconomic news. Okay, guys, and also we have forex pairs. You can trade GBP JPY, you have GBP USD, you have the yen, we have the euro. Okay, so just make sure to stick to one and have like a second pair just in case the first one is not moving a lot, then you have like a second option. Okay, guys, but preferably just stick to one. Now, obviously the risk management is extremely important, and I would say if you want to gain consistency, a little trick that has helped me gain consistency and increase my win rate is taking 20 pips per trade. Okay, guys, now trust me, like if you are able to consistently take 20 pips every single day, you're gonna see your account grow and you're gonna be able to make a living out of trading. Like believe me on that, but like taking 20 pips a day, it's gonna take you to the next level that you are achieving now. Don't be greedy in the markets. Like I know many of you're looking to take like these 100 pip move trades and tiny risk and huge reward. Okay, like these like huge monster risk reward ratio trades, but like realistically it's harder to take these type of trades consistently every single day than just sticking to one system in one time frame, one pair, and taking 20 pips every single day. Also, an advantage is that you're gonna be able to compound an account. For example, take a look at this compound Excel sheet ladder. Okay, I've been using this for many years now, and it has helped me flip accounts consistently because you're gonna be guiding yourself in how much money to risk and how much money you're going to make, and this is going to be the balance, and you're going to see it increasing every time. And you can set your goal. Let's say you want to make a flip challenge and reach $100,000. Now this sheet is included in the members area. Okay guys, so if you're interested in compounding accounts, like I go very deep into this topic inside the members area. Now let's take a look, for example, at the market. Okay, so this was Nasdaq. This is 15-minute chart. This is another thing. Also, it's very important to know how to draw your support and resistance levels. Okay guys, now I see many of you are like zooming out. You start drawing like all of these levels like in previous days, in the past. Like there is no reason for you to be drawing or marking up levels from the past, guys. Okay, like maximum I will just look at the previous day and the current session. Okay, that's it. You don't have to be looking at other levels in the past. As long as price is approaching a zone or level, then yes, look to the left. But why would you mark, let's say, for example, like this high or this high or this high if price is like down here, right? There's no point in doing that. Now, another concept very important is to identify your ranges. Okay, so let's say, for example, here we have this level right here, and let's say, and for example, here we had a break of structure, which means that price is making a new low, but at the same time we have this low, it's still intact. Now, as you know, Nasdaq likes to visit the highs and lows of the day, okay? Because generally there are liquidity levels, and usually banks and institutions or whoever moves the market, they are interested in these areas. Okay guys, so for example, here we see a break of structure, okay, making this new low, but the low of the day, which is this one, is still intact. Now price, okay, is taking liquidity out of this level. As you can see, this is sort of like an inducement, okay, and all of this shaded area right here is an imbalance. Right here, all of this area, it's your imbalance area. Now candlesticks are very important, and I'm very fan of candlesticks. Okay, I would recommend you learning more about candlesticks. That's all you need in the market. Like you don't need anything complicated. You don't need anything else. Okay guys, so just let me show you really quick. This is the members area. This is the website. So these are some of the topics that you're gonna find inside the members area. This is lifetime access, and we have trading plan, how to do a trading plan. I have a template. I have dual NY5 strategy, 95% win rate. I have the ATM strategy, extremely powerful and very effective. Also magic numbers, the New York range. I have another, if you want to compound, I have some blueprints that I explain exactly how to do it. Here you're gonna find the Excel sheet. You have some strategies, some other strategies, some simulations. We have the 15-minute rule book method and some recaps, many things. So if you feel a little lost and you're still not profitable, I have your back, guys. They are the only tools that you're gonna need, trust me, for this 2025 to make your first $100,000 trading. And yes, it is possible. Like, believe it in yourself. $100,000 is very achievable, and it's not that difficult as you think. Okay, it's just a matter of breaking those mental barriers, but having the right strategy is gonna make your life easier. Okay guys, so you can find the link in the description below. And also very important is that includes private coaching with me. Okay, so that means that if you have any question or if you want to book like a private Zoom call, then we can talk. Okay, I'm not like the other mentors that they're like flying all the year in their private planes, like just selling their courses and not caring about anyone. I am not like that. Okay, like I actually do care, and you're gonna have my attention, and I'm gonna reply any question that you have. Okay guys, so let's continue with the video. So we were analyzing, this happened today, Nasdaq. Okay, now we have some imbalance, we have break of structure, and we see some sort of rejection going on. Okay, right here. So we see this beautiful candle rejecting this imbalance area. And also I want to show you that we are at a very beautiful area of rejection based on these percentages. Okay, so if you know, you know. In here you could have taken a short position. Okay, you could have taken maybe at the break of this low, and protect your position around this level. And you could have targeted the low of the day for a 1.76 risk reward ratio. Okay, remember, you don't want to be greedy, but at the same time, you want to protect your position and you want to have the most amount of confirmations as possible. Okay, guys. Now, also remember that we have a range. A range is like you have a high, a low, and this space is going to be filled. Okay, so now let's see how this trade would have played out. Okay, we have price just chopping around and it reached your take profit. Okay, guys, so remember, trading is like a language. If you understand trading, you're gonna be able to read any market at any moment. Okay, and as I told you guys, just stick to one trade and you're gonna be able to see your account grow on the long term. Like, it's gonna be very, very easy and enjoyable. Okay, my friends, so this is another example. It also happened today. This is gold, beautiful gold. I know many of you trade gold, okay? So this is dedicated to all of my friends that like to trade gold. Now, what do you see, guys? If we zoom out, we see gold trending up. So we're gonna stick to a bullish bias, okay? There's no reason to go and start looking for sales, okay? Now, if we were looking for sales, we would need price to completely change of structure, okay? But it's not happening. Now, what do we see? We see a break of structure right here. Here we see a break of structure. Now here we see an imbalance created, okay? And a new high being created. Now, we just need price to go into this area and create some sort of a support and give us some sort of a confirmation to continue going up. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, beautiful. This is absolutely perfect. And also, as you can see, guys, it's coming back into this beautiful percentage of retracement level. Okay, so now in here we can go and take a long position and we can protect our trade by placing the stop loss out of the way, and we can go maybe for a 1 or 2. Because why? Because, well, it's trending, right? If it's trending, let's take advantage of this, and if not, then we can close our position early. No problem, guys. Okay, you have to learn to be very fluid, like water. Remember what Bruce Lee said, you have to be like water. Okay, if you see price that it's not reaching your TP, then close your trade. There's no reason to stick and just pray the Lord for price to reach your target. Okay, if it's taking too long or if it's like retracing, then just secure your trade, break even, and close your trade. That's it. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Retracing a little bit. Okay, now it's starting to go up. Now, me personally, I would place my stop loss at break even. Okay, maybe you could have started to take some partials, okay, along the way, maybe at the 50% of this range. Okay, now it reached your take profit. Beautiful possible trade with a lot of confirmation. You see, guys, it's just like stick to one trade, plan it out, plan your trade, execute with confidence, and you're gonna be able to make money all of this year, every single day. There's possibilities. Now, you don't have to be trading every single day, but as you can see, you can find, if you know this language, you're gonna be able to find a trade every single day in every market. Okay, guys? Now, I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I really wish you a lot of success. And I know you're gonna have a lot of success and you're gonna make a lot of money trading. Don't hesitate to join my members area. If you wanna make a lot of money trading, make sure to subscribe using the link below. See you on the other side, guys. Take care.